Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today, we have an extraordinary tour lined up for you. Nestled in the heart of Aiken, South Carolina, lies a unique accommodation that's redefining the concept of minimalist living without compromising on luxury or comfort. The Blue Jewel, as it's affectionately known, is a tiny home crafted from a shipping container, originally built in the Netherlands and seasoned by ocean voyages. This enchanting rental unit promises guests a serene getaway with the allure of a cabin, privacy, and an upscale experience that's clean, new, and undeniably dreamy. A cozy retreat designed with comfort in mind, the Blue Jewel is a testament to innovative design, marrying the rugged industrial chic of a shipping container with the soft, inviting comfort of a modern home. The hosts have gone to great lengths to ensure that every aspect of the space is designed for maximum comfort and relaxation, starting with the bed. It features a pristine mattress topped with a luxury mattress topper, enveloped in white sheeting and a soft comforter, creating a sleeping experience that rivals the cushiest beds found on Pinterest. Highlights of the Blue Jewel. Dive into the ultimate comfort with a queen bed featuring triple sheeting that invites immediate relaxation. The unique shower experience with a 3x7-foot corrugated metal surround shower offers an ethereal and peaceful showering experience. It reflects the container home's industrial roots with a touch of elegance. For entertainment and connectivity, an adjustable wall-mounted TV equipped with Roku allows guests to enjoy their favorite streaming services. This is complemented by Wi-Fi with an air booster for uninterrupted online access. Though compact, the efficient kitchenette is well equipped with a microwave, coffee pot, basic silverware, and more, ensuring guests have everything they need for a cozy stay. Set on 5 wooded acres, the Blue Jewel offers privacy and security, with exterior cameras and dedicated parking just steps from the front door. Embrace the serenity of nature. The Blue Jewel's setting on 5 acres of wooded land offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Guests might catch a glimpse of deer roaming freely, adding to the cabin's charm and the sense of being close to nature. While the hosts make every effort to ensure a pest-free environment, the occasional uninvited guest is a gentle reminder of the surrounding wilderness. Thoughtful amenities for a seamless stay. The hosts of the Blue Jewel have thought of everything to make your stay as comfortable and convenient as possible. From the stocked bathroom with essentials to the dedicated parking space and the no smoking or vaping policy, every detail has been considered. The home's no-scent policy ensures that even guests with sensitivities can enjoy their stay comfortably. Design that marries form and function. The Blue Jewel isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience. The industrial chic aesthetic of the shipping container home is complemented by modern touches throughout. The corrugated metal walls of the shower and minimalist fixtures highlight a design that values form and function. The cozy kitchenette and thoughtfully placed mirror add elegance without sacrificing space, and the vibrant artwork and sliding barn door to the bathroom blend style with practicality. Experience the allure of downsized living. This tiny home is a perfect example of how downsized living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. The exterior, with its sleek lines and large windows, sits against a serene wooded backdrop, highlighting the beauty of living in harmony with the surroundings. Whether it's the clever space-saving solutions like a potential Murphy bed or the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, the Blue Jewel showcases the best of tiny home living. The Blue Jewel in Aiken, South Carolina, offers an unparalleled retreat for those seeking a unique, comfortable, and serene getaway. With its thoughtful amenities, commitment to comfort, and beautiful setting, it's more than just a place to stay. It's a dreamy experience that leaves guests feeling as if they've stepped into the photos they admired online. For anyone looking to explore the charm of tiny home living without compromising on luxury, the Blue Jewel is a gem waiting to be discovered. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the Blue Jewel, a dreamy, tiny shipping container home that perfectly blends style, functionality, and comfort. This unique home showcases the incredible potential of shipping container architecture, proving that small spaces can be both luxurious and practical. From its intelligently designed interior to its charming outdoor spaces, the Blue Jewel is a testament to innovative and sustainable living. Whether you're dreaming of a tiny home or seeking inspiration for your own projects, we hope the Blue Jewel has sparked your imagination. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more incredible home tours and design inspirations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep dreaming and stay inspired.